Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, this is going to be a 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It is in the super wide exterior with the nutmeg cloth interior. And as far as our options go, we do have the XLE convenience package, which just adds the 8-way power driver's seat, heated front seats, and the power rear tailgate, as well as the clear protection hood and door package and the rear view mirror with HomeLink for a total of $30,472. Gas mileage is 26 city and 32 out on the highway. Coming down here to our wheels, riding on Firestone Destination tires. These are going to be your 17-inch alloys. Then coming around back, XLE badging, dual outlet exhaust down below. And then you have smart key access, so just go ahead and put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. Now with 34 miles on it, just put your foot on the brake, press your button to start. And we'll check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, you do have the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam i4, featuring 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now you do also have a hybrid powertrain available, but let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, over in your side mirror, they are going to be body color with their turn signal indicators and blind spot monitoring. But checking out that nutmeg cloth interior, as you can see, this is going to be your power driver seat you do get on your XLE convenience package. And then that door panel does have some nutmeg accents with your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Door storage down below. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel with your full-weight D-pad for your center LCD between your gauges, Bluetooth phone, voice commands, and volume. Over on the right, you do have your cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, mode, and seek right over here. Now on your left, automatic headlights, fog lights, blinkers, and high beams. And then over on your right, your variable movement speed wipers, rear wiper controls as well. Now checking out your audio sources, this is going to be AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your menu, that's where your Apple CarPlay projection is going to be, as well as your Intune apps when you connect up your phone. Navigation is always an option. Down below that, dual zone automatic climate control, so you can set your temperature, press automatic and leave it, sync them as well, or you can independently control the temperatures, fan speed, and zones if you'd like to. Dual stage heated seats, another part of that XLE convenience package, with your audio inputs and a 12-volt down there. There's going to be that 8-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. And reverse does give you your rear backup camera up on the audio screen. You have your brake hold feature as well as your power parking brake, as well as your 3 drive modes. Cup holders and your nice padded armrest with 2 charging USBs down in there. Glove box down below with your owner's manual. Nice little shelf right there for storage. And then up top you do have your manually dimming rearview mirror with your integrated 3 garage home links underneath. Up top, mirror and vanity light on your sun visor with a nice little extension. You also do have your power sliding sunroof, sunglass storage, and your map lights. So as you can see, that sunroof does open right up. It is going to be automatic as well, right next to your SOS Safety Connect buttons. And that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. And coming back here in the second row, you do have that nutmeg cloth interior. Climbing in, behind my 5'9" frame, plenty of room, plenty of footroom also. You do have rear vents with 2 USBs down there, rear seat map pocket, and then over here to my right, a nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable rear headrest, nice dome light up top with your quartering handles and coat hooks. Nice view of the dash right there. And let's go ahead and check out the cargo area. And coming around back, just go ahead and press the membrane underneath your Toyota logo to open up your hatch. It is going to be power. And coming back here, you have plenty of room behind your second row, but you can easily fold them flat via 60/40 fashions to expand cargo room even more. You have your tonneau cover right here, as well as your temporary spare tire and jack located underneath the floor. You'd have D-rings in all 4 corners to tie down larger items. Little storage nook over here with a 12-volt and illumination also. And then up top, just go ahead and press your button right there to close up your hatch. And that about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE with the convenience package. Now, if you guys are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.